welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tag video and I have my daughter here with me because we thought it would be fun for her to read the questions to me. So what is this tag called? The
Boujee Guru tag.
The Boujee Guru tag. So that's the tag I'm doing today. I saw Annette on Annette's Makeup Corner do this and I thought it would be fun and I like tag videos. So what's my first question?
Would you rather buy one expensive luxury item or buy several items with the same amount of money?
So that is, oh jeez, excuse me. That's a hard question for me because I have a really hard time buying expensive items. I don't like to pay a lot of money for makeup. I'm a very discount sale shopper kind of girl, but I have come to notice lately that, sometimes you get better quality from paying more money. But honestly, I would rather spend my money on more less expensive items, I think, rather than just buying one specific thing, especially if it's something I don't know for sure I'm going to love,
Yeah. Like,
What's next?
when it comes to beauty products, do you believe the phrase, you get what you pay for?
Wow, this lighting is like, hello, it's making me look like freaking Casper. So, you get what you pay for. It depends. It all depends on the product, I feel like. There are definitely some things that I think you can get that are very close to high-end makeup that you can get for an inexpensive price. And for drugstore makeup, I agree for the most part that you definitely get what you pay for, and if not more, because there's a ton of great things out there. But when it comes to more expensive makeup, like I have some more high-end items that I don't even like as much as some of my drugstore items. So I guess it kind of depends on the brand and what the item is, I guess. Number 3.
What's the most expensive beauty item you've ever purchased with your own money?
With my own money, my most expensive item would be my Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. That was a tough one for me, but I really, really, really wanted it. So it's like the one time that I splurged and bought an item for full price the day it came out type of thing. And I would say that's probably, yeah, that's definitely the most expensive item I've bought with my own money for sure. What's number 4?
Are you willing to buy products at full price, or do you usually wait for sale or discount code?
Jeez, why am I turning white like that? So look how tan she is, and also she's only 9 and she's reading so well. Okay, so I typically buy everything on sale or with some sort of discount code or something like that. I do a lot of my shopping at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and even then it's mostly in the like little clearance section that they have when it's marked down even more. There are exceptions to that when I want to review something that's coming out right away, like I did with the Jawbreaker palette. Then obviously, which I don't really think Jeffree Star really does deals anyway, or sales or much of that, but I could be wrong. But most of the time, unless it's something that I really feel like I want to get right away, which is pretty rare, I just buy things that I find and that I'm interested in that are discounted items already.
This one I feel like I already know, but where do you shop for beauty products the most?
So I would say there's a tie between 2 places actually. Ulta is one, and then TJ Maxx would be the other. Ulta I go to for a lot of my drugstore stuff, and also I go there just to look around and usually end up buying a little something. I like their clearance section, and then also TJ Maxx is in the same plaza. So typically when I go to one, I go to the other every time.
The next one is, How often do you get your nails and or hair done?
Clearly, I get my nails done very regularly. They're gorgeous, acrylic, fake nails that I get filled every 2 weeks. No, okay. So, I don't get my nails done. Eventually, that is something that I would like to do. I do really enjoy wearing acrylic nails, and I have a kit where I can actually do them myself, but it literally takes me like 4 hours because I don't have the like electric freaking sanders to get them all perfect and everything. So, no, I never get my nails done. And to be completely honest with you, I get my hair done probably once a year. And that's a treat for myself to get my hair done because it's just not something I can justify spending money on. So I got my hair dyed, when was it? December? I got the red in it.
Yeah.
And
I think it was kind of a birthday thing that Daddy did for you.
Yeah. So it's usually about once a year, and then I've just been using this shampoo that kind of like puts a tint in your hair because it washed out. I bleached it. I was gonna dye it again. It's very grown out. I have lots of split ends, and that's always what happens. But yeah, once a year, get my hair done. Don't get my nails done at all.
Do you prefer long or short nails?
So I actually prefer short nails, but I still prefer them to be like fake nails because I'm a really, really bad nail biter. But when I do my own nails, I make them short just because I hate, like I feel like long nails limit me. Like if I'm trying to type on a keyboard or even trying to use my phone or using my finger to put eyeshadow on or just anything, or like stuff gets caught in them and I scratch things, and yeah, I definitely prefer them to be shorter, but you know, a little bit prettier than what I've got going on here. Just a little bit.
What makeup brush brand is your favorite?
So I haven't tried too many, but I have to say that my Spectrum brushes, I got a whole set from a gift from Lacey, and I have to say that these brushes are so good. They're so soft. I love them very much, and I would love to get more and like check out what else they have for eye brushes. But other than that, I really enjoy, I think because these ones might be a little bit more pricey, but I really also enjoy Wet n Wild brushes, which are super, super cheap, and also Morphe as well. I do really like Morphe brushes.
The next question is high-end or drugstore mascara?
Okay. Mascara is one thing that I will buy. High-end. I have not found a drugstore mascara that I love yet. There's still more that I want to try that hopefully I can find, you know, one very similar to my Holy Grail Roller Lash $24 mascara, but there's just something about it. Any other mascara I use, it just doesn't do it for me. This is the one, and typically I wait until I see some sort of sale on it, or I buy like the mini one because realistically, you're supposed to get rid of your mascara after 3 months. Totally do that. I definitely do that. Yeah. So a lot of times, unless the big ones are on sale like that, then I'll just buy the mini one because then at 3 months I can just get another mini, and those ones are only $12. But yeah, definitely high end.
Think of your favorite makeup brand. Is it drugstore, high-end, luxury, or indie?
That's a really hard question. I don't think I have a favorite makeup brand because there's certain things that I like from certain brands. Like, this is really hard. I definitely prefer to buy eyeshadows from indie brands just because they're way more interesting, and obviously I like color and stuff like that. So, I mean, all like the regular old high-end brands and even a lot of the drugstore brands, sorry guys, but a lot of your shit's boring. So indie brands are where it's at for the eyeshadow. But as far as other makeup, it really just depends. I don't have, what's the question? Think of your favorite makeup brand. Oh, Yeah, no, I don't have a favorite makeup brand. I like to try lots of different things, and I use so many different brands every day to complete my face that there's no way I could pick what brand is my favorite.
Okay, this is the last one.
Wait. Okay, so last question. Final question. This is going to be the shortest video ever.
Considering your answers to these questions, do you think you're bougie?
I would love to be bougie. Trust me. I would love to be, but I can't afford to be bougie. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, let me just say, where is it? Like right now, my favorite foundation that I'm using is a very bougie Laura Mercier foundation that I got for like $5 at TJ Maxx. So like, I like the bougie makeup, but I am not bougie because especially in my current situation, there's no way I could justify buying luxury makeup. No, I'm not bougie. Give me the best thing I could get for the cheapest amount of money. And wow, okay, so I guess that was all the questions. For some reason I thought there was 14, but there was only 11. All of you out there who have channels yourselves, I encourage you all to do this tag. It's fun, and tag videos are fun, and yeah.
It was even fun for me, and I was only reading the questions.
Yeah, and thank you for reading them to me. This was a nice little twist on this one, and she just asked me earlier actually if we could do a video together soon, so I guess we got that accomplished, and now we have to go reorganize the entire house. Yay! I've literally spent most of my entire day on the phone with doctors. Oh, and if you're wondering, I did film this makeup look, and it is coming in a 3 looks 1 palette with one of my new favorite palettes from Clara Cosmetics. I also have a first impression video coming out soon on that, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you, Cassidy, for your help. And if you liked this video and if you thought that Cassidy did a great job, then give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you like me and want to see more of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or don't, that's okay. But thank you for watching this video anyway, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.